Okay, we got all the bases for the feet bases for the sun panels board. A new mixer over there. And all board this morning. And with the solar air conditioners up. I just still got to weld the frames. And tomorrow start pouring the base for the aquarium. You know what we used to use for this is hose. You know those the hose for.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we pull the cement out with a hose. But this will work too, eh? The hose a little bit deeper.
It's but it's gonna slide.
So that's enough plywood? Yeah.
But tomorrow we're gonna do it 15,
Hmm?
half.
We'll see. Yeah, we'll see.
And then
What you do is you do half 15.
Yeah.
And if it's going fast, then we just do the whole.
The whole thing.
Yeah.
But we don't do the whole thing 30.
Yeah. No.
You
Just
should
the
get
half
more.
15, and there's still time.
Yeah. Good. The corners there, did you see?
Yeah, they sunk though.
Yeah. I already stamped them, and then gonna fill it with
More
cement.
sand. Oh, cement?
Cement, yeah.
Oh.
We're gonna fill it. The corners. Yeah. It's only those pieces.
It's got to be going somewhere.
Yeah.